I had a doubt regarding bondage. Is bondage confined to one family, same blood relation, same place, same country, same region, same religion, same caste, same creed? Certainly not. It is not even confined to same birth also. It is carried forward. Bondage is carried forward from one birth to the next birth also. It is said marriages are made in heaven. This is also true, and this is proved by a sweet, young, wonderful, perfect couple, Sinduri and Johan. Before knowing that, we must know about Sinduri and her bondage, sweet friendship with my daughter Hemu. I don't know how long have they been friends, but as long as they have been friends, still their friendship is being cemented year after year. At the time when we are performing my daughter's marriage, just like elder sister to her, Sinduri stood beside her, gave her moral support, and not only Sinduri, even her family gave very good support to us, otherwise we could not have performed our daughter's marriage. Regarding her association with our family members is immemorable. Whatever functions we perform, her presence should be there. Nowadays, after getting married, even Sinduri and her husband are attending our functions and giving very warm wishes. So, we feel like knowing about Sinduri, let us know about her. Sinduri, she looks beautiful whatever clothes she wears. We never forget her ideal friendship with my daughter. Once she got tumor at her neck region and the doctor said she had to undergo major operation. There are many complexities in that operation. Very confidently she agreed for the operation, but she wanted my daughter's presence at the time of operation. Thus, she is very particular about my daughter's presence at the time of operation. She herself booked flight tickets for my daughter and then she had undergone operation. As far as her career is concerned, she is an environmental engineer and working in construction field. She is very broad-minded in nature and she takes good care of her subordinates as well as servants. She has lot of respect towards them. Let me give some briefing about Johan. Johan is an army personnel in the United States of America and also army captain. Before her marriage, Sinduri had to undergo operation and the doctor said she might get facial paralysis. Though her parents informed Johan about what the doctor said, he came forward to marry her. God might have been pleased with his true ideal love with Sinduri. So her operation had been successful without any complications such as facial paralysis. Hindi philosophy says marriages are made in heaven. He married Sinduri in accordance with our Hindu traditions. Let us watch their marriage. This is Johan's family photo. Here you can see Sinduri's parents as well as Johan's family. This is our family photo with Sinduri. Here she is taking blessings from my father. She developed attachment not only with my daughter but also with my son Siddharth. Johan, who liked Sinduri for her interesting personality, decided to marry her. God was pleased with their inner personality and made them perfect couple. Either they directly come whatever functions we perform or send their warm wishes to us. On 15th May, my brother had celebrated 60th wedding anniversary to my parents and they sent their warm wishes to my parents. Let us watch that clipping once.
తాతయ్య గారు, అమ్మమ్మ గారు, మీ మంచితనం, అమాయకత్వం అండ్ కైండ్నెస్ ఇద్దరిలోని అంతులేనంత ఉండడమే మీ అందం. హేముకి చిన్నప్పుడు హెవెన్ అయినా హోమ్ అయినా మీరు చూపించే ప్రేమే అని అనిపించింది. మిమ్మల్ని కలిసిన తర్వాత నన్ను కూడా వెంటనే మీ ఇద్దరు ఫ్యామిలీలోకి ఆదరించినందుకు నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను. మీరు మా జీవితాల్లో ఉండడం మా అదృష్టం. మిమ్మల్ని త్వరలో కలుస్తామని ఆశిస్తూ తాతయ్య గారు, అమ్మమ్మ గారు
60th పెళ్లి రోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Let us watch one more clipping where they had actively taken part in our Prajna program and recited slokas.
శుక్లాం వరదరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయే.
Agaja anana padmarkum gajanana mahanisam aneka dantam bhaktanam ekadantam upasmahe.
Sinduri and Johan, you are great inspiration to all. Let your companionship, ideal companionship, live forever. Thank you.